Hello, how you doing? Going to cook this fish today. Today we're doing sea bream. This is a beautiful, lovely fish. Simply going to pop it in the oven with a few bits and pieces. It's so easy. It's really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to cook this fish today. We're going to do sea bream. This is our sea bream here. Just got one of them. You can see the kind of size of it. It's 500 grams, just about a pound or just over a pound. Now it's been cleaned, which means it's been descaled. The guts have been taken out and any sharp fins have been taken off. Okay, so I'm using ceramic today, but you could use glass or metal. It's up to you, as long as it can go into the oven. And you can see what I've done is I've got one lemon, cut it nice and thin, and I've laid that in the bottom. That's going to be the bed for our fish. There's some butter there. There's probably a couple of tablespoons of butter that I've put in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm using some dried thyme today. So I've just put a little bit of dried thyme on there. Let me grab our fish. So we saw that earlier. Now what I've done with this fish, you can see, is I've just cut some scores into it on both sides. We're going to place that in and then we can get some other bits and pieces on top. So now I'm just going to add some salt onto the fish there on that side and some black pepper and then some olive oil. We're going to drizzle some olive oil on there. So here we go. Beautiful stuff. Really simply, really hot oven. Get it preheated, nice and hot. Pop that in the middle shelf. This size fish is going to take about 12 minutes. Okay, so that was in my oven, really hot oven for 12 minutes. You can see that it's just bubbled up there very nicely. Beautifully done. So I just poured a little bit of the lemon butter on top. Dressed it a little bit. Job done. So easy. That is beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.
Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook, $3.99. Very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.